from?
Pixel Space. Well, you have to help me get back because I lost my floating, but I can still fly now. Meow, 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 meow.
Sure, let me just get my spaceship.
Okay. Meow, when is she here?
Sorry, but I don't have a spaceship.
No! Then we have to find pieces.
Okay, let's start looking in that closet.
Okay.
And then let's see what's here. Let's see, there's toothbrushes here. Let's see, maybe here. Maybe there's pieces right here. Let's open this one. Let's see, we have some toothbrushes. Let's see, we have some band-aids here. Oh, we have some tissues. We can use tissues. Or wipes. I think wipes are better. Have you found anything?
Not yet. All right, Meow. Let's just look over here. Like I said, nothing here. I didn't find anything. Oh, I found something. Perfect for the ship. I look like a princess like this. All right. I think I'm gonna look under here. And I'm gonna look for some materials. Expo. Okay. How about an expo marker? That'll help. And maybe this notepad. All right. My head hurts. Let's just head in. Meow. Hello, did you find anything?
Yeah, I found these stuff.
Okay, and I found this gem, an expo marker, and little sticky notes.
This is what I found. I found some wet wipes and a bowl.
Okay, perfect.
This bowl can hold our ship.
Yeah, and then this thing will make it shoot through the sky. But if this doesn't work, and these are the materials that won't work, like the wet wipes will help, well, spaceships. Well, Pixel Space, I miss my friends, but this sure will do it. Let's start the build.
Okay, what are we gonna start with?
We're gonna start building, duh.
Okay, our bowl's gonna be.
We have to build like normal.
Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Bum 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 bum. Wow. This is perfect. It looks like it's gonna launch. All right, I need to put the cup in. Okay. There.
Okay, now let's
Perfect.
open it.
All right.
Let's open
Mm.
it. Okay.
I'm going in.
I don't think it's gonna fit you.
Don't worry, I can fit in myself, and I've never been in a rocket in my life. All right, it fits me. I'm a Pop-Tart.
Okay, let me unlock it.
It hurts. I'm a Pop-Tart. Actually, I am.
I didn't even say hi. I didn't even say bye. I mean, sorry.
The rocket doesn't work.
What?
Oh, all right.
Guess we have to make another rocket. How about we make our own rockets?
All right. I have an idea. Okay, good. Didn't find anything. How am I ever gonna get home?
Whoa!
Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Yeah. Did you hear that earthquake?
Yeah.
It is so scary. I was on a high thing looking for materials, and that I fell down. It hurt.
Me too.
I landed in here, and fall like that?
Huh. Well, nothing is. It's pretty bad, and I mean, the earthquake made it worse. And uh-oh.
What's happening? What's happening?
A volcano! Wait, what is that? I need to go near it.
No.
Never mind. That's just a rock. It's just a red rock.
Oh my god, that scared me to death.
Oh. Well, I think I saw a little obsidian near it. I think that is lava. Because water is, whenever lava is in water, it becomes obsidian. Let me go.
Do you feel that? Ah! Whoa!
We're safe.
Okay, good. That's
Okay, it's actually, it looks like, it is obsidian, but nothing to worry about.
Good. Oh
So,
no, I see people coming towards us.
Hello, who are you?
I'm Mr. Head.
Mr. Head? Like brain?
No, I like to see cats. So can you be my pet?
No!
There's a volcano coming, everyone! Be
no.
careful!
No, there isn't.
Yeah?
That's just...
Oh.
Gosh.
Did I make another one? Wait, do you actually mean it for real life?
Okay, so whatever. I don't know why we were whispering.
Okay,
What's going
bye.
on?
I'm going
No!
to my house.
You have to. So, yeah. Okay, let's start building. Yes. I'm already in the building. All right, good riddance. I'll see you later, my friend.
Bye.
Oh, I'll miss you.
And what about the Stellar Bell?
No thanks. I have my own ways to survive out there. My home, I miss it. See you later, and I want to see my Pop-Tart frenzies.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bum 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 bum.